That tickles. Now lick my nipples.
What?
What?
Only you can prevent climate change.
Oh, we're trolls. Oh, our hair's intertwined. Hey, can I ask you to do something?
Of course.
Put it in me.
Bop it, twist it, pull it, bend it, flip it, extend it, load it.
What?
Load it. Cock it. Read it.
Your target is Senator Carlton McDougal. The 15th floor of the Gilmore building will provide an unobstructed vantage point.
Memorize it. Burn it. Aim it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Squeeze it.
I can't
Squeeze
do
it.
I can't.
Squeeze
I
it.
can't. Ah! God, help me.
Beat it. Hoof it. Book it.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Fake it.
I was playing with my toy. I want my mommy.
Why is your toy smoking?
End it.
Kid!
Give me that puppet, kid! Let me go!
Is the mastermind behind the assassination in the courtroom today?
Zip it.
Suck it.
Damn it.
For the crime of witchcraft, we sentence this heathen to death. More horses.
You'll never pull me apart. I'm Stretch Armstrong. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, guys, come on.
A teddy Ruxpin? He can play any tape and he moves his mouth along with the words! Oh, thanks, Uncle Gallagher!
Let's try it out. I've got a copy of my stand-up special, Melon Crazy. No! He's got a cyanide capsule! Don't you bite down, you son of a bitch! You're here to play my tape! He's gone. Ah, we'll have to listen to it in the living room.
Look, we finally made it!
The legendary Pyraminxes, they must be full of treasure.
Whoa! Penis puzzle! You better keep your mouth off it, Ronaldo!
It's a snake, you jackass.
Rubik the Amazing Cube can help us slash annoy us with his cutesy 80s cartoon voice.
Give me that! Boys have better spatial reasoning than girls!
I'd be angry at that sexist comment if it wasn't a proven scientific fact backed up by years of academic research.
And done!
Rubik, here to help!
Oh, that voice is like getting anal sexed in the ear canal!
But first, Rubik been dying to ask, why did you turn Rubik back into lifeless puzzle last time? Oh, we had to get you through customs. That was 3 days ago? Do you know where Rubik's spirit goes when you jumble Rubik's colors? A dark, cold Neverland.
Damn
I'm
it,
hopeless.
Rubik, what do you want? An apology blowjob? Do something!
Rubik, here to help!
Oh, no, no.
My anus! Do it, Rubik! End his pain!
Rubik, here to help!
He's in a better place. A place without his slate. Flicker cave.
Look out!
Whoa!
I don't know which way to run! I have no spatial reasoning! Rubik, here to help!
My seeing parts! Rubik? Rubik? Oh, there you are. I'll bring you back, Rubik. Friendless nerd kids solve you blindfolded all the time. I've seen it on YouTube when I get bored of skateboard accidents.